is Svalbard Expedition Base Camp on our third day out. You can see Akash and Sam are getting their breakfast ready there. Just behind me are the pulks which we're using for the long distance ski touring. You can also see the tent TP and the base camp tent, which are group shelters where we can have meetings, cook and cache our equipment and food over a long period, and especially in stormy weather. Now, in Arctic terms, this is a balmy, mild morning. It's about -8 degrees and there's no wind. We've got 24-hour daylight right now. The sun actually moves around us over the course of the day.
Quiet. Good. And again. Keep going. So you've got up to 500 kilos of animal moving at 40 kilometers an hour, which has an awful lot of momentum. And the more that you can put into it, the less chance that you've got a wounded animal coming at you slightly pissed off.
Well, it's the first day we're going to go out. I'm quite excited. And I'm repacking my pulk. We're going to get a whole load of new kit to be given, and I'm pretty disorganised, so I'm just trying to get on top of it now.
The fiberglass sled is what we call a pulk, and that is a medium size that can carry about twice the volume and weight of what I can handle in a rucksack. And then what I'm leaving on the exterior of the pulk is the Mauser K98 and an ice axe. I'm keeping the Mauser to hand because there's about 3,000 polar bear living in the archipelago.
Yeah, they live out next to her, France to get away from her. You know, when your parents live in the next door house.
We've just had a couple of crashes trying to traverse these hard ice angle bits, but now we're moving into a ravine here where we should be a lot more comfortable gaining ground.
Continue at the John Bream. Foxtrot Nail. Roger so far?
And this morning we noticed a change in the weather, and we saw lenticular clouds forming over some of the mountains, which often indicates a change in the weather. And we're now skiing into the wind, and in front of us, maybe an hour's time away, the cloud has dropped and it may well be snowing. 20 to 30 centimetres of lying snow on top of what actually fell yesterday. So we've suspended operations today and we're doing skills in and around our camp within the bear flare, and we're discussing group shelters and emergency shelters and improvised bivouacs. A bear's been spotted just a few miles away from us yesterday, so we're using this time to stay safe where we are, in poor visibility, and wait for the weather to clear.
Our second rope team coming up to join us at the col, or on the lower left. This is our 8th day having skied around from Drondrain and Adventdalen.